Want to know the best chicken breed to raise? Who? I'm sorry, I've been waiting to do that a while. The black Australorp is one of the best chickens that you could ever start to raise. And I'll even tell you why. They're actually one of the nicer breed of chickens. And they even let I was trying to say they even let my children play with them. They actually terrorize them, and they're okay with it too. And for some odd reason, they still allow them to pick them up every single time. The old saying is they resemble a crow. And crows keep hawks away. So a lot of people actually raise Australorps to help keep the hawks away. Or to help protect all the other chickens that they have too. Especially if they're free ranging. They actually came from Australia, hence the name Australorp. They do lay brown butt nuggets, and yes, that's poop. But they actually give you about 300 eggs per year too. The other good thing about them is they start laying eggs around 18 weeks. So they ain't freeloaders for long. In all seriousness, you won't find a better mama hen. Because mine are always broody, and yes, I have hatched some eggs off of them. And yes, even though I say they're nice, they're very territorial when they have some baby chicks. And I would know because that's where they came from. Australorps are so nice that they even adopt chicks that are not even theirs. So if you're new to this chicken thing, I highly suggest you go find some of them chickens.